everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 8th to the 12th of June 2026 on Monday. Uzetu faces the most painful decision of her life as fear grips both families. Kawe and Lazarus clash over the dangerous cost of protecting Azande, and while love quietly deepens elsewhere, hope begins slipping away of the hospital on Tuesday. Mother and daughter tear each other apart as Zetu refuses to make a decision. Her mother tried to force her on and the baby. Lazarus uncovers a terrifying pattern hiding behind Azande's rise to power. And just when help finally arrives, Zetu rejects the very thing that could save her on Wednesday. Hope returns for Zetu, but peace inside the family doesn't last long. Khosela is rocked by another explosive scandal as suspicions spread through the company, and a single moment leaves Tumeka questioning her place in Hlati's life on Thursday. Zetu refuses to be defined by tradition, igniting painful clash between culture and autonomy. Lazarus and Kawe quietly begin plotting Azande's downfall, and just as both families started finding common ground, another crisis hits on Friday. Zetu ran from pressure, but her escape triggers a brand new family war. Azande finally realizes he may not be as protected as he thought, and when two powerful women collide, any hope for peace is shattered. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.